Hey y'all, in a moment we're going to talk about this right here. Watch to the end. So every morning I check the grow rack, the house plants, and then I hit the outdoor garden. I check for progress, issues, damage, all kinds of things. Shout out to my girl, Aisha Johnson, and all of my other white moth victims. She's tearing out my collards, y'all. But I know what to do. Nobody is issue free and nobody has all of the answers. That's why we love community. Every garden is different and requires different things. The power is in learning how to effectively address your specific challenges. This thing right here is temporary. These collards are going to be the bomb. Trust and believe, she will be defeated. Anyway, morning time is the best time for harvest because everything is crisp and hydrated. I'll talk about both of these more later on in November, but I use my rain barrel just to cut down on water cost. And earlier this year, I designed and built my own drip irrigation system. It has a timer so that I schedule consistent irrigation. Plants love that. I never overhead water because it introduces fungal and bacterial diseases. It's best to water at the base of the plant to promote direct root irrigation. The drip irrigation system was a game changer for me. It really wasn't that hard. You can have a really simple system or a complex system, and you can design it the way that you want. Our plants need consistent flow of water. And so that brings me to this. Do you know what this is? Pause and view to read. This isn't dew. This isn't perspiration. This is guttation. It's nature's way of relieving water pressure in the plant's vascular system. It is a sign that the plant has taken up more water than it can release through transpiration. This is why it is imperative to know the water requirements for each specific plant that you choose to cultivate. Another reason why companion planting can be challenging for us because while one plant requires the soil to be consistently moist, the other may not. Like, comment, share, and follow me for more.